P1391, wheel speed, sensor 1 circuit performance. This code is related to one of the wheel speed sensors, usually part of the ABS system. These sensors monitor how fast each wheel is rotating and send that information to the ABS module, and sometimes the engine or transmission control systems. When the code says circuit performance, it means the signal from wheel speed sensor 1 isn't behaving the way it should. It might be erratic, dropping out, or not matching the other wheel speed sensors. The system expects all the sensors to show similar behavior under normal driving conditions. So when one doesn't line up, it sets this code. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, pay attention to symptoms. You might notice the ABS light on, traction control disabled, or in some cases, unusual braking behavior. Sometimes there may not be obvious drivability issues, but the warning lights will be on. Second, inspect the wheel speed sensor itself. This sensor is usually located at the wheel hub or near the brake assembly. Make sure it's not damaged, loose, or covered in debris like dirt or metal shavings. Third, check the tone ring or reluctor ring. This is the ring the sensor reads from, often built into the axle, hub, or CV joint. If it's cracked, missing teeth, or heavily rusted, it can cause an inconsistent signal. Fourth, inspect the wiring and connector going to the sensor. Since it's located near the wheel, the wiring is exposed to water, road salt, and movement. Look for broken wires, worn insulation, or corrosion in the connector. Fifth, check for proper sensor signal if you have access to a scan tool. Watching live wheel speed data can help identify if one sensor is dropping out or reading differently than the others. A good general order when diagnosing P1391 would be: check for warning lights and symptoms, inspect the wheel speed sensor, examine the tone ring, inspect wiring and connectors, and verify sensor data if possible. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a faulty wheel speed sensor, damaged tone ring, or wiring issues near the wheel. That's pretty much it for this one.